Embark on an exciting journey into the heart of student living, where comfort, convenience, and community come together seamlessly. Welcome to the Woodlands of Arlington, a vibrant student accommodation in the lively heart of Arlington. Here, you'll discover a variety of fully furnished apartments, from cozy studios to spacious 1-, 2-, and 3-bedroom units, each thoughtfully designed with a comfy bed, study area, ample storage, and a stylish kitchen that will make you look forward to coming home every day. Weekends are a delight with outdoor picnic areas, grills, and 2 resort-style swimming pools for a refreshing dip. Need to tackle some work? The ultra-modern business center has got you covered. And the best part? Parking is a breeze with an abundance of on-site parking, so you can come and go with ease. Step outside, and you're just a 7-minute drive away from both Arlington Baptist University and the University of Texas. Beyond academics, the neighborhood offers a diverse array of nightlife and family entertainment, including parks, theaters, museums, lakes, and malls such as the Knapp Heritage Park, Fielder House Museum, and the Arlington Museum of Art. Ready to experience the charm of Arlington and the endless entertainment possibilities in the surrounding neighborhood? Head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay today.